We are in Miami getting ready to board the Carnival celebration. Come with us. Alrighty, muster drill complete. Took a little bit longer than normal. Now it's time to get something to eat and our first drink. We are getting some chicken and beef shawarma right now. For your shawarma?
Right.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ready for the shawarma? A little Bacardi and Coke. It's a regular Coke. And I couldn't wait. Off to relax and have some drinks up on the Serenity deck. We got some mojitos over here at the Serenity deck, waiting for our room to be ready. Blue Moon Martini. We're at Cucina del Capitano. Thank you, sir.
All right.
And here's Anna.
Drinking water.
She's got to drive the boat later on. Oh, here's the first appetizer. It's the tuna crudo. Looks really, really good. And over here we have the Frito Misto, which is all sorts of good stuff. Calamari, shrimp, and some veggies, I guess. That's what it appears to be. Another Blue Moon Martini to watch the show going on. We got another Bacardi and Coke.